welcome back to my channel. My name is Ahmad, and today I'm going to install these 4 sensors. They are in-hive sensors and placed inside the center brood frame of the hive, and what they will do is they will monitor various conditions: humidity, temperature, light, and one other that I just can't get to right now. Humidity, light, temperature, and sound. Those are the 4 types of metrics that these sensors will collect. So I'm installing 4 of them in 4 of my hives. They are connected to this gateway that then sends data to an app on my phone. So today we are going to install one in this hive, and the others will be installed in other hives. They need to be at least 10 meters from the sensors. So let's get started on that. So normally I wouldn't just take out the center frame, so I'm just going to move it slightly so that I can see if I can get the sensor in without having to remove the frame. So I'm definitely going to have to take out you can see it's extremely tight. Everything has been properly shut here. I don't think I'm going to get this frame out. So what I am going to do is I'm rather going to use another hive. This hive is a hive that I bought that has never been worked on. It's been standing for about 2 years, and obviously that's 2 years worth of propolis. So let's go and check up another eye. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can put that in this hive. Just gonna smoke the entrance a bit. I'm not going to bother checking what's happening in the super. couple of seconds. Take off the super. Looks like they are putting some honey in the super, but very little. Let's see if we can get the center frame. I don't like going from the center frame. Normally work from the edge. But let's see if I can get the center frame out. Nope, it's not coming out. It's leaving. I need to start screwing my frames. This one seems to be coming out. Absolutely lovely brood pattern. So I'm going to fix this frame. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to move all the other frames over. And then I'll stick it in this middle one. Some more space. These are the We'll go in, go up. And there we go. So now it's just a matter of moving the rest. So there we go. It's inside, practically on the center of the blue box. And we are done. Close them up. And there we go, 1 down, 3 more to go. So I'll make another video of the app, but that's it. 1 sensor installed, and thanks for watching.